Hey guys, I'm Utkarsh. You guys are watching Tech Shop and today I'm back with another video. Today I will show you how to shoot cinematic videos on your smartphone. So let's start. First open your Play Store. Then search their Party Now. The links to this app will be in the description. So guys, just install this app. I'm fast forwarding the video now. Let's open the app. Now just allow it the permissions. Now it will take you to the camera screen. Now first you have to go tap on the settings, fast and slow. Then tap on OK. Then tap on settings and turn off the beauty mode. And now tap on the effects and choose glitchy. So now guys, I have chosen glitchy effect. So now guys, you can make the video. So guys, make sure that you watch this video till the end, because that's not it. There is another thing we have to do to make it cinematic. Now choose the background music that you like. So when you have chosen your background music, just click on the tick button. I'm still choosing. So you have to download some background music, but there are some downloaded when your app is installed. So let me download some. Choose the best one which suits for your video. Guys, there will be this clip which I recorded in the end of the video. So please watch this video till the end. It helps me a lot. So guys, I will be back a minute when I will choose the music. So guys, now I have chosen the music and just tap on the tick button. Now allow the permission to media storage. Now it will save the video. That's not it. Now you have to go to your home screen. Open your Google Photos app and then click on the video that you just made. Then there are 3 lines, just tap on it. After the sharing button, just tap on it. Now I will tap on it and just click the stabilize button. Now guys, this will stabilize your footage so that it looks much better. So now is the stabilized footage that you see. The stabilized footage with the music will be at the end of the video. So guys, as you can see, there is the footage. Now just click on save. It will save the video to your phone. So guys, it's saving now. Now I will show you the clip. There is it.